Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start in Settings because that's where Apple exposes keyboard controls. Open Settings, then tap General, now select Keyboard. You do this because predictive and autocorrection live inside Keyboard Preferences. Once there, you can see multiple switches. Make sure you note your iOS version if options differ, and keep your device unlocked so changes apply immediately. This first step gets you directly to the toggles that control suggestions, rather than hunting through other menus. Once in Keyboard Settings, locate Predictive and switch it off to remove the suggestion bar. This stops the keyboard from proposing words. While you're there, turn off autocorrection if you prefer manual edits, and disable check spelling to avoid automatic highlights. Also scan Smart Punctuation and Text Replacement. Those can insert or change characters unexpectedly, so clear entries you don't want. You're adjusting behavior deliberately. This is why multiple toggles matter, not a single setting. After changing toggles, exit Settings and open Messages or Notes to test typing. You should no longer see suggestion words. If suggestions persist, restart your iPhone so system services reload. This often resolves cached behavior. If that still fails, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset and choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary. This clears learned suggestions. If problems continue, check for iOS updates, because software bugs can affect keyboard settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.